Alright, we're going to do a little Sunday morning breakfast. We're going to do pancakes, one big pancake, 2 eggs, and a little sausage. We're going to get you in around 350 calories. But you could up the eggs, or you could add on to that pretty easily and be just fine. Well, we're using gluten-free pancake mix, but I don't know that there's any advantage to doing that. I think I just kind of accidentally got it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, just a little bit of sausage for the taste, 1 ounce of sausage. Cook that up. Alright, while that sausage is browning up, get our pancake mix ready. We're going one serving a person. We're going to do this separate. So I got 38 grams of pancake mix. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk, and since I spilled some everywhere, add a little bit more. I may need more than that. We'll just see. Alright, and then I'm going to do 1/4 egg, whatever that is. So I've just been doing 3 spoonfuls. Feel like I need just a little bit more milk. Alright, we're going to mix this up while this sausage is browning. Got that good a mix. Feel like that's a little on the eggy side. I think it'll be alright. I'm chopping this sausage up as I cook it. I'm just going to cook my egg right into it. Turn that down. A little oil. And this looks like it did the first time I did it, and it didn't turn out real good. I think I used too much egg. Maybe not enough milk. Let's see. Since I spilled that milk everywhere. Oh yeah, it looks a lot better. Alright. Pour that on there. Start my heat low so I can get my pancake mix on there. Get it spread out nice and good. I'll crank it up a little bit. Finish up the sausage. And go 2 eggs. And go straight into my sausage. See if I can't mix all that together real good. I meant to flip my pancake first. A little salt. A little pepper, should be good. I don't know about the gluten-free pancake mix. I think the regular is better, but that's what we got. So let that go a little bit longer. I'm not going to stir that until I flip my pancake. Alright, my pancake's ready to flip. Give it a little bit more heat. Get that flip. All right, this one's for Mama, so we're gonna leave her eggs just a little bit. A little soft, not real soft. Throw that on there. Ooh. And then to top it off, we got a little bit of sugar-free syrup. And that stuff right there is good because it is, each serving is 5 calories. Or 15 calories. I bought some yesterday that's 5. So it's low in calories. Alright? Completely opposite of regular sugar. So there we go. There's Sunday morning breakfast.